Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present about our group project, which is Etihad Airways. This is our project members, consists of five participants, which is myself, Amifah Abdul Jasni, Nurul Afifah binti Abdul Halim, Ahmad Arif Hafizuddin bin Ahmad Tamizi, Hazlana Puteri binti Hafizul, and Zulkifli bin Jasni. Airline are an essential component in global transport services packed with advanced technology. Etihad Airways are listed in one among all airlines around the world. Etihad Airways is one of the distinguished airlines and renowned icon in their field of excellence, providing magnificent services and innovative approaches for the improvement of passenger experience. Technology has become the lifeblood of the airline industry today. Etihad Airways site showcasing how airlines are using technology to create a non-frictional and streamlined customer experience that make it easy for passengers to make bookings, manage their itinerary, and enable new services. This is our Gantt chart divided to 6 phases, which is first, planning phase, which are duration for 15 days. In this planning phase, we are planning overall all the project. Next, design phase, which take place for 20 days. This design phase, we are designing a very systematic design for the project. The third is the development phase, which take duration for 16 days. In development phase, we are develop what we have been planning and we are being designed. Next, testing phase. Testing phase duration is 10 days. In testing phase, we are testing what we have been developed. We are testing for debugging and error and fix the error. Next, deployment phase, which take place for 11 days. And lastly, post-launch support and maintenance phase, which take place 7 days. Functional requirement. Functional requirement defined as what the product or project must do, project features, and project function. We take a look at the first features in Etihad Airways, which is flight booking and availability. When a user enter the website and enter the city flying from, destination, outbound, and return date. Also packed with promo code if applicable. The system should retrieve and present a list of available flights that meet the parameters. The result should contain flight times, price, and available seat classes. The user shall look for flight availability using the system according to specific criteria, such as number of passengers, class of flight, and type of trip. Next, booking process. By providing passenger details and making payment, user shall be able to select a flight and finish the booking procedure. After choosing a flight from available option, the user shall be prompted to enter passenger information such as name, age, contact information, and etc. Moving on, selecting seat. Selecting seats are one listed in the Etihad Airways features. During the booking process, the system should allow passengers to choose specific seat on the available flight. Users shall have the option to choose their preferred seat. Next, payment gateways. The system payment must be performed with payment gateway, a third-party service that ensures that the data safety and verify the payment status. Users shall need to provide payment information such as credit card, debit card, or online transfer, and etc. To finish the booking process, the system shall verify the transaction status with a third-party service provider. Lastly, the user can cancel the booking. Cancellation of booking. The system must allow user to cancel their flight booking in specific scenario, such as there will be thunderstorm or geometric scenario. Users shall be able to cancel their flight, providing booking reference and subject to Etihad Airways. Non-functional requirement. They are divided by 3, which is performance. The website must load the flight, booking, and availability details in 3 seconds on average, because the user must see which the available seats before it was booked by other users. The booking process must be complete in under 10 seconds. And the system must support a concurrent of 20,000 users during peak holiday season without crashing the websites. Because during the peak holiday season, there will be much more users need to book their flight for their holidays. Moving on, availability. The booking web page must be available all of the time, except maintenance time. The website must use redundant system and failover mechanism to ensure that the system continues running. The website must regularly backup their system, especially their database and user data, to ensure there is no data loss in case of the system failure. And last, security. The user must log in using their account to get their booking credential. The system must be compliant with payment card industry data security standard to ensure that user sensitivity information is not leaked, such as credit card number, password, and many more. The system must permit user to only see their order and not order placing by other users. This is system model diagram. First, after user search into the web page, the user can search for their flight to book their flight, and then the system reserve the flight and do the ticketing. Then the system conduct the user to make a payment at the payment gateway, and the flight is booked by the system. The system conduct user for flight scheduling and operation, and attend the crew management and ground operation. And lastly, system maintain the aircraft maintenance. This is submodel first screenshot from the Etihad Airways website. This is what user sees first after they are logged in to the website. First, the user see the flight booking and reservation page, which was include where the user can search for current location, availability, and user destination choice, payment gateways, and flight availability search field engine. So user can enter their destination choice and search their flight availability on the destination entered by the user. User also can choose their payment gateway. Next, after user searching for availability and choose the flight, the user must complete the guest information system, which is user complete their personal information such as name, contact info, and more. System analysis also picture user booking summary for confirmation. Lastly, payment. User enter their credit card number or debit card number, or user can choose either to use other online transfer payment method.